Hello folks, this is Tanvi Hassan again and I am doing my daily vlog again. So today I am going to talk about some important issue, that is about goal selecting. Do you know how important in your life the goal selecting is? Because the goal actually driven by what you dream of. Okay, so sometimes people dream too big, dream very big, and it quite impossible to achieve. And not in such way, nothing is impossible in the world, but they set the bar too high, and when they want to achieve that, they do not try properly, so they get demotivated and end up earning nothing. Or even if someone make their goal very low, then after achieving he will not get any satisfaction. So you have to optimize your goal in such a way that is practical, sometimes that you really want it. Like after achieving the goal, the moment will not go away. I remember one valedictorian in a Massachusetts university, I guess. He said in his life he wanted to be a valedictorian. That means he wanted to be the best student of his university. But in his convocation speech, he said that he was very happy when he was announced valedictorian, but after 10 seconds or after 1 minute, all the feelings have gone. Like he realized that that's not the thing that he always wished for, or that is not worth it to have that much pain, suffer. And he said he even broke up with his relationship, and he give very less time to his friends. So that's the thing. When you select the goal, just think of why you are selecting the goal and what will you feel, what would you feel like when you actually achieve that. If that's very good, if that's very, if you can go with, if you can deal with the sufferings to get the goal, I think that's more relevant. Okay, so I have selected my goal. I have several goal lists, but one more thing I would like to mention: you have to be a definite goal, the first main goal. Okay, you have to put your full focus and try to do something every day in order to achieve the goal. Okay, and there would be so minor goals also. You can organize it with your priorities, but the one main goal should be very definite. Okay, you should not be confused about that. You should not be feel lazy about that, or you should not have any doubts. If you have it, you will end up not achieving that. So that's my talk today. I want every people who are watching this video, they should write down their goals and think the pros and cons, like why they are selecting the goals, and how would they feel, what is the result, how is the consequences. That would really help people to think better. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you.